If your Windows 11 PC has low RAM, you probably face random game crashes and slow performance. This happens because your computer runs out of physical memory. To fix this, you can use a hidden feature called virtual memory to use your storage drive as extra RAM. Here is how to set it up. Open your Start menu, type View Advanced System Settings and open the shortcut. On the small box that pops up, make sure you are on the Advanced tab and click Settings under the Performance section. Next, click the Advanced tab again inside this new window. Look for Virtual Memory at the bottom and click Change. By default, Windows manages this automatically. Uncheck the box at the very top that says Automatically manage paging file size for all drives to unlock custom control. Now select your main C drive from the list, click the Custom Size button and you will see two empty boxes below. For the initial size box, type 9216. For the maximum size box, type 12288. This creates a stable 12GB extra memory pool on your drive. Click the Set button, then click OK on all open windows. Restart your computer to apply the change and your PC will instantly handle heavy tasks much better without crashing. If this quick guide helped you fix your low RAM lag, please like this video and subscribe to Tech Team for more simple tech walkthroughs. See you in the next one.